We're out here doing some brim fishing for Cash's birthday. We was gonna go jug fishing this morning, but man, it was just absolutely nasty. It was rainy. And so we didn't do anything, and we got home after lunch and we decided we would come down here and see if we could fish off this dock, maybe catch us a few brim. We've caught 4 so far, and we've just got a little cypress tree right here in front of us. And we're just kind of fishing around this little cypress tree. Fished about a foot, 14 inches deep, somewhere around there. Just kind of pitching out there, just a little ways away from this little cypress tree, and fishing with night crawlers we caught at the house.
I just saw them.
Dadgummit, I missed one.
Right over there by the tree?
Kind of more over here. Oh shoot.
Got one?
Yeah, I got one.
Oh, nice. Now you put them in.
I had me a little
Did you get hung on him?
no, I had a loop in my line I was trying to work out. He,
Oh.
why don't you pitch out over there, Cash? Just kind of over there, about middle ways in between those 2 trees and the dock.
Hey, you put them in.
Well, you're fishing.
Almost. I've caught 1 fish, Daddy. I was hoping I would catch some other ones.
Pitch out a little bit further. Oh, there you go.
Oh, wow. This guy's big. This is a good one.
Very nice little bluegill. We'll take them all day long. Watch that pole.
Okay, move. This is good. This is awesome. I set them down like this and try to make them cook themselves. And then I get over here, try to dodge them, and then I step on them. Show him this guy. This baby is beautiful. That's 2 for me, 3 for you, 4 for you.
Yeah, 4 for me.
So we've got 6 fish today. Oh, I catch 8 and you catch, what's the limit?
Oh, dude, limit on brim is like 50 or
1,000?
60, I think.
And how old are you?
It don't matter how old I am.
I just
50 or
wanna-
60 a person.
I just want to know how old you are.
Be 35 next week.
So, 34 fish for you, 8 fish for me.
Well, that don't sound fair to you, does it?
Huh?
So that don't sound fair to you, does it?
Oh, it sounds perfectly fair. It might not sound fair to you.
Well, me to catch a whole bunch more fish than you, it don't sound fair to me.
Caught one?
Yep.
That's a big boy. Oh,
You got one? Oh, did you miss
Nope.
it?
he almost stripped my worm.
That one took part of mine.
We're gonna get. Wait, I think we stumbled upon like a church of them.
A church of brim?
Yeah. Today's their man meeting day.
Here.
Thank you so much, Daddy. Wait, we could tell the viewers, the people watching,
Mm-hmm.
that they could come up here and fish with us someday.
Yeah.
Wait, can I tell them my secret of fishing when you don't want to get stung by something?
What's that?
To put them down on a hot wooden dock or something
There we go.
and make them hook unhook themselves. Don't get me done. And caught one.
Back to back to back here, ain't we?
Yep. Sorry, little guy.
Yep.
No, I got it. Want to see my secret? And down. Good job. Oh wow, this rod is not like I like. Gotcha. This is a beaut. Daddy's right over there in that one spot. And we've got a nursery in them guys.
There we go.
Are all of these guys that were catching males?
Look like it. Mostly.
Oh man, you caught a big one. I'm liking these sensitive bobbers. You're gonna catch one, then I'm gonna catch one. And you're gonna catch one, then I'm gonna catch one.
Is that how it's gonna work?
Uh-huh. Should be.
How it's been working, ain't it?
Yeah. You catch one, I catch one, you catch one, I catch one. I kinda wish that I was you right now. You've caught a lot of them. I don't think I got enough worm on my deal. They're fighting. The reason why I left the lid on.
Try and get that
A lot of birds.
loop out of my line there.
So many that I have actually lost count of how many birds I caught.
Buddy,
Uh-huh.
we're gonna have to really catch a bunch of brim in order for us to catch our limit.
Yeah.
Between the two of us, I can't remember if they've upped it to 60 or if it's still 50. But if we catch our limit, that'll be 100 brim or 120 brim. If we get close to that, I'll look up what the reg is on it. But we'll have this 5-gallon bucket filled up before we get close to that.
Yeah, like, can I have half that one?
Yeah.
Oh, today is just not the brim's day. Today is totally our day.
Golly, this thing won't tear.
But he wants to go on a hook, right?
Well, if he wants to go on a hook, he's going.
Would you guys please stop it? That right there is our good spot. If we get ran off, we'll say, guys, we found a hot spot here. Or if they say, yeah, a lot of people have said this isn't our dock and said they didn't know, we don't trust you. They said,
Buddy, they're gonna steal that worm right there, I'm gonna tell you.
This one?
Yep.
On mine?
The way you've got it hooked on there, they're just gonna steal it.
I've got it right there beside yours. I'm kind of watching both. Sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Because they grabbed a hold of the worm, but they didn't grab a hold of the hook. It's okay.
Sorry, I was just not expecting to see a dragonfly here. I'm not scared of them or anything.
Well, you did that. I thought you were.
No, I love them. I get it after Cassidy. I love them. Dragonflies are our friend. Since we don't really like flies, but we like dragons. This guy doesn't want to carry. Those big guys weren't such a good option.
Well, they must have liked your worm better than they did mine. They stole yours and I ain't getting a nibble. No, there ain't no cover over there. That wind picked up, that may have something to do with it. I don't know.
How could the wind have anything to do?
Well, I mean, it's disturbing the surface of the water.
Yeah. Oh, you got one.
There we
You
go.
got one.
Man, that's a big one.
Can I see? Oh yeah, that is a big one. Hey,
Ah!
it peed. It just peed on me. Daddy.
That might be the biggest one yet. It's a big old bluegill.
Daddy, you made it pee on me.
I'm sorry.
This is my brand new t-shirt.
It'll be alright. We'll wash
At
it.
least I can tell Mama I got peed on today by a fish. No,
What do
by
you mean,
Daddy.
at least you can?
What do you mean at least I can?
That's what I was asking. You said at least I can tell her that. What do you mean you at least you can? Doesn't make any sense.
I can always tell her I got peed on?
That makes more sense. But you caught some fish, so that would be a better story to tell than getting peed on by a fish.
Nah, I think getting peed on is pretty funny. Except when it's your birthday and you got a brand new t-shirt. And your dad makes a fish pee on you.
Oh, good Lord, let it go.
It's been like it hasn't even been a minute since we've been out here. Like 2 minutes.
Well, we've been here a little while. It took us a minute to find some brim. We found them. At least we did for a second.
Oh, that's a good cast, right, Daddy?
Yeah, it was. Look, you're getting a bite right there. Get him! Oh! Oh no!
He stole it!
I will. Look.
Monster! I think that worm stealer came back. Or maybe that's his cousin. Or his uncle. We need to get that guy down. Don't think any of us. Now, if we had a boat, I would just say, Daddy, drive up to that pitch black spot.
If we were out here in the boat, we'd be hitting all these little deals, and we'd take long poles like that over there. We'd get up in there close to them and just stick right up next to them.
Yeah.
Well, that's what we need to do next time we get a chance to go fishing with Poppy.
Oh yeah, come out on this lake and be like right over there. School passes through like I would say every week.
Find school and brim.
That's what we like to do though. We like to find schools or pockets or nurseries or churches of brim.
But I don't think brim have churches.
Yes they do. They're gospel people.
Are they?
They're gospel fish.
Gospel fish.
When was the last time you saw somebody bringing a tiger to church? They bring in fish instead.
Well, I guess I can't argue with that.
Some people bring in their fish pots. What?
You.
Me? What's wrong with you?
Ain't nothing wrong with you. Just,
Yeah, take it after my daddy.
they're gospel fish. Brim or gospel fish?
Catfish are the most gospel.
Are they? Is that because everybody that, when they have a fish fry, it's usually catfish? When church does a fish fry, it's catfish?